What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back to watch some One Piece. This is episode 42. In the last one, Luffy finally got up, started fighting Arlong, and it's going to continue on into this episode. So I'm excited to see the rest of this fight here. And I'm wondering what Nami's going to end up doing, because she didn't actually end up doing anything in the last one because Luffy ended up getting up. So I feel like she will do something. So I'm curious about what that is going to be. Anyways, I want to get into this one, but before I do, if you guys are enjoying these reactions, leave a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Feel free to follow me on the other social media. And if you're watching on YouTube, consider checking out patreon.com/DonDiego if you want to catch these reactions ahead of time. And with that being said, let's get on to the next episode of One Piece. Let's go.
I bet that had to be painful. His teeth must be shattered.
Nope.
Explosion! Fishman Arlong's fierce assault from the sea.
Let's see, because he could like do something with the water.
This is the inherent power of Fishman. I feel sorry for you pathetic humans having been created with such limited power. Being such inferior creatures, it makes perfect sense for you to bow before me.
No more bowing to you, Fishman.
But there's no way I'm gonna lose to a big fish. I mean, since I am gonna be king of the pirates.
That's right. Are there any fish women, by the way? Like, how do they procreate?
You can't even crush a pillar with your jaws.
Like, where do they
He's
come
right.
from?
There's no way
Where do
a
these
human could do
fishmen
something
come
like
from?
that. If those jaws got a hold of you, they would do a lot more than just leave some bite marks.
Yeah, you don't want that to
They'll
happen.
snap through your bones like a butcher.
He always has the cooking jokes,
Quit your bragging!
cooking analogies,
You're not that
and
awesome!
metaphors.
Besides, smashing stones with your teeth isn't that smart.
Way to go! You're the best, big bro. Tell it like it is. Yeah, what idiot bites a rock anyway?
Fools, that's not the point. Every member of the human race is ignorant and weak. What good are you if you can't even pull yourself out of the water?
That's only because of the devil fruit.
Fact, I'm worthless without my friends to help me out.
Luffy with swords.
Huh? No way. Luffy's a swordsman?
I've never seen him wield a sword before. So this is kind of interesting.
Is this a joke? Whatever it isn't swordplay. You're just flailing about like a child playing pirates. I hope you realize this isn't a game.
Ooh.
That's enough. Now die.
Will that cut the inside of his cheek or something? Because he still had some of the sword in there. So maybe he did that on purpose. Oh! Holy crap! What?
You're right, I don't have a clue how to use a sword, you bastard! I'm a terrible sailor. I definitely can't cook. And I can't even lie!
Hey!
It's true though.
Without my
He like
friends to help
can't.
me,
He's
I would've been
incapable.
dead a long time ago!
So you fully admit how pathetic you are. You may be a fool, but you certainly are honest.
But it makes
How
us
much
stronger
good
when
for
we
you
work together.
tolerating this idiocy day in and day out. What good is a helpless rubber-brained captain to them? What can you possibly do?
I can kick your ass!
Well, get to it, you numbskull. If he dies, I'm gonna kill him. I've got your back, Luffy!
If he dies, I'm gonna kill him.
Cheer all you want, but it won't
Looks
take
like
you
you
back.
have normal. What the? Oh, okay. Never mind.
He's got no teeth!
I'm a
I was
shark.
thinking about how
New
sharks
teeth
can like.
grow one after another.
Yeah,
And
but
with each
freaking
set,
instantly
they
like
get
that.
Stronger and stronger.
What the heck?
Endlessly.
No way. That's not. Talk about not fair.
As many as it takes.
You could just keep pulling those out and growing them back. You could probably make something out of that.
This is but one of the many gifts we fishmen possess.
You
That's
just
so cool.
endlessly make like.
You haven't yet realized that
Some, like-
fishmen are superior. You will
incredibly
very soon.
strong shark tooth blades or something.
Tooth, attack!
Oh man.
Arlong, please.
What the heck?
What?
Whoa.
My brother!
He put him in front of him. Oh my gosh. You didn't even see
You're
what he
dead,
was freaking.
You stretchy freak! How dare you use my injured brother as a shield!
That's his weakness
What are
that we
you
could.
talking about? You're the one who attacked me, don't you remember?
A lot of those
Don't
guys
move
lying
a
around.
muscle. Rubber man!
Now that's an interesting idea.
He's got an idea?
Let's see what it
It's
is.
in his brain. Did he come up with some secret scheme?
Tooth attack!
Nice.
All right.
You gonna take one?
You fool! There's no point in crushing my teeth. You really don't get it!
Big Bro Luffy, that can't be very sanitary.
Oh my gosh.
Shark teeth!
Oh my gosh, that was his idea.
How long do you intend to keep fooling around?
Shark bit me!
So stop playing games!
Why it's not like I'm having fun?
Look at him. Luffy's gonna get a bite.
Oh no!
There we go.
Gotcha! And now we're even!
So you used my teeth. But your puny jaws aren't strong enough. Now listen. Sharp as my teeth are, they're only useful when they come with powerful jaws like mine. Then they're deadly!
Ooh. Did he not mean for that to happen? I just never know what Luffy's gonna do next. So unpredictable. Oh, wow. Look at those veins coming out. Ooh. Wow.
Is his arm okay?
I think so.
If he took a single step back, his arm would have been ripped off.
Hey,
Where'd he go?
where'd he go? Luffy, the sea! Huh?
Oh no.
Hey, look, a shark!
No! That's Arlong!
So wait, he went under?
Crap. This isn't good. His abilities double in strength when he's underwater.
Oh man.
Once my momentum in the water builds up, it's impossible to stop me.
What's he gonna end
This
up
is
doing?
precisely the kind of ability that makes us fishmen all the more superior. It's high.
Oh no! A torpedo?
He turned himself into a torpedo.
Something just flew out of the sea!
That was him, though, wasn't it?
Ow, 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 ow.
Wasn't it just Arlong himself? Yeah.
Wow. I'm impressed you could dodge that.
He dodged it? I thought he got
Good
hit.
job. But the longer you evade your death, the more painful it will be. Shark! Die!
Gosh. You do not want to get stabbed by that nose.
Just what kind of bones does that crazy shark have?
I don't even know, man.
His nose crushed the ground.
Die!
Fish are supposed to have soft bones.
Hey, Luffy, hide! Arlong went into the sea again!
What's Nami gotta do?
Get
Don't hide!
Stop being so stupid! Go run for cover before you become a target!
No way! I'm not running anywhere. I'm gonna catch him and break his nose!
Oh my gosh, is he gonna be able to do that? How are we gonna win this fight if we hide from
Or
him?
you realize that it's pointless to try and hide from me.
Did you hear us telling you that you should go somewhere and hide? You barely escaped his last attacks! If he lands just one direct hit, it'll kill you! Go and hide!
Gum gum!
Ooh. Shield?
Hey, wait! What's that position? I don't think that.
I don't know, but we've never seen this one
I'll
before.
do double the speed from this distance. This time I'll pierce your heart, Rubber Man. Now, take this!
Oh my gosh.
He's hit!
He did the opposite of hiding. Look at this, dude.
Oh no! Did he get hit?
No.
Fine. He somehow managed to avoid it.
He used his gum gum shield.
It's over! That attack won't work now!
Do it again.
That chance! Gum gum!
Oh. Finger net? Oh my gosh. We haven't broken his nose yet though. It's not over yet.
Dead?
No. Definitely don't fall right on top of him.
Do you see the intensity in his eyes?
Oh no, it's the same expression that sea kings make before they snap.
Sea Kings?
He must have
Oh.
snapped with Luffy's last attack.
Huh. Remember what Shanks did to that one
Eyes. I've never
sea
seen
monster
them like
thing?
that.
You made it freaking run away.
Wretched human! What have you done to me? A mighty fishman!
Whoa, that was crazy. It didn't actually hurt, but I can tell he's really, like, madder.
Matter. Oh, he's grabbing it. Oh, what the heck?
Oh man, that! The saw blade!
The saw blade.
Gigantic!
Oh my gosh.
He won't stop! Luffy will get cornered!
He's cornered now.
Jumped in the building.
Good call. Said, what's going on?
The left window on the top floor. That's the room that.
That what? See, this is where she could help because she has knowledge of this place and of Arlong.
There's nowhere else to run. You and me, here, in the highest level of Arlong Park.
Oh,
At last, the time of your
those
death
are
has come.
Oh,
maps.
What is this room? A lot of paper.
This isn't just any room. This is the room where I make Nami draw all of her sea charts for me.
This is Nami's room?
These sea charts are what she's worked on all these years. Just look around you. These maps are more valuable than any amount of treasure. You see, to us fishmen, collecting data about the ocean is a simple affair. But assembling that raw information into a useful chart is a difficult task. That's why we needed a surveyor. In fact, that is the sole reason I'm so keen on keeping that woman in my possession. The accuracy of her charts is beyond comparison. She's too good for human trash like you. Her talent should be used solely for building up the mighty Arlong Empire.
But she is human.
Now listen, Nami belongs to me,
Is that so?
and you're interfering in our business. You human scum. She's not your friend.
Yes, she
Don't care. I don't care what you say. Cause Nami is our navigator.
That's right. You can't take our navigator. So in this episode, we got some Luffy versus Arlong action. Good to see Luffy finally back, you know. He's at full strength. And he even whipped out some new moves there. The shield thing, the web thing, or whatever, the net, whatever he said. That was really cool, man. Cool to see all the different things that he could do with just being able to stretch. We still haven't broken off his nose yet, and so I'm waiting for that to happen. He said that he was gonna do that, so I'm hoping that it does happen. There was that crazy stuff that he was doing, like with Arlong. He was like taking out his teeth, and they would grow back immediately. That was freaking crazy. But then Luffy put them in his own mouth. Luffy is also pretty unpredictable and the stuff that he chooses to do. So it makes the fights interesting. But anyways, the fight's not done. They're currently in the room where Nami made all of those maps for Arlong. Arlong thinks that he can just force Nami to work for him forever, but that's not gonna happen. So can't wait to see what else is going to happen in this fight. But what do you guys think about the episode? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you did enjoy the reaction, leave a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Feel free to follow me on the other social media. And if you're watching on YouTube, consider checking out patreon.com/DonDiego if you want to catch these reactions ahead of time. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.